Ever dreamt of running your business from anywhere in the world? Imagine sipping margaritas on a beach in Tulum while checking your finances or approving payments with a few clicks. The rise of remote work has opened doors for businesses of all sizes, but managing finances across borders can be a real headache. Trapped by traditional banks with limited online features and hefty international fees? There's a growing trend, neobanks. These digital-first institutions are designed for the modern entrepreneur, offering streamlined online platforms and innovative features. One name that's been popping up lately is Relay. They claim to be a game-changer for small businesses, but is the hype real? The question on many Canadian entrepreneurs' minds: can you ditch the big banks and go fully digital with Relay? Let's dive deep and see if Relay lives up to its promises for our Canadian friends. Breaking down the basics, what is Relay? At its core, Relay is an online business banking platform. They offer a suite of features designed to streamline your finances. Multiple accounts, organize your cash flow with up to 20 checking accounts. This lets you dedicate accounts for specific purposes, like payroll, taxes, or inventory purchases. Virtual and physical cards, issue up to 50 debit cards, both virtual for online purchases and physical for everyday expenses. Seamless transfers, send and receive ACH transfers, wires, and even mobile deposits for checks. Automated magic, set up auto transfer rules to move funds between accounts automatically, saving you valuable time. Team access, grants secure access to team members and financial advisors, allowing for collaborative management. The big picture, is Relay right for you in Canada? Here's the good news for Canadian entrepreneurs: yes, Relay is available in Canada. They welcome businesses of all structures, from sole proprietorships to corporations. Here are some key benefits to consider if you're a Canadian business owner. Free to get started, their basic plan comes with no monthly fees, perfect for startups or businesses with lower transaction volumes. Go global, almost accept payments from tools like Stripe and PayPal, and send international payments with competitive exchange rates. Mobile-first focus, manage your finances on the go with their user-friendly mobile app. Security matters, rest assured, your funds are FDIC insured up to $3 million, and Relay utilizes industry-standard security protocols. Of course, there are also limitations to consider. No cash deposits. Currently, Relay doesn't accept cash deposits. This might be a deal-breaker for businesses that deal heavily with cash transactions. Limited customer support. While they offer email support, Relay doesn't have traditional phone banking options. The new kid on the block, being a relatively new player in the financial arena, Relay might not have the brand recognition of established banks. The verdict: should you make the switch? Ultimately, the decision depends on your specific needs. Relay shines for tech-savvy Canadian businesses that prioritize online banking features and international transactions. Their free plan makes it a low-risk option to try out their platform. However, if you require frequent cash deposits or prefer the comfort of traditional phone banking support, Relay might not be the perfect fit. Remember, do your research and compare Relay with other Canadian neobanks and traditional financial institutions before making a switch. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.